This is Elisa Davis from the Fishing Education Team, and I'm going to show you how to register your group or family for fishing workshops through Go Outdoors North Carolina. From the North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission's homepage, scroll down and select Take a Class. Under Fishing, you can select either option, but from the Peckman Fishing Education Center's page, you will need to select View the Go Outdoors North Carolina calendar. This calendar will include hunting, boating, and fishing education workshops offered by North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission, but before you can register your group or family, you will need to log into your account. Select Access My Account from the top of the page and log in. If you are not a current customer, select Enroll Now. When you enter your login information, you can also select other methods to log in if you do not have your WRC number with you. Just select More Login Options just below your WRC ID number. Hover over Events and Classes at the top of the page and click on Search Events. Narrow your search by typing the event name or location in the search bar, or select an event type, dates, or distance from zip code. Click on the event title to view more information, and at the top right corner, select Register Group. Search for your group or family members by entering their first and last name and date of birth for each person. Select Add to Group. If your group or family member does not appear in the search, you will need to create an account for that person. You can also register your group and family member for workshops through the Go Outdoors North Carolina app on your smartphone. Tap on the three bars at the top left corner and tap on Take a Class. Make sure you log in by tapping on Menu at the top right corner and locate My Account, then log in with your information. Scroll down and click on Events and Classes. Search for your desired event and tap Register Group. Register each member of your group and/or family using the same methods.